Hi there, students. To raise, a verb. Don't confuse this with R-A-I-S-E, to raise your hand. This is with a Z. Okay, if you raise a building, you completely destroy it. So after the fire, what was left of the building was razed to the ground. The city was razed to the ground during the bombing. Okay, so to destroy completely, to flatten, to level, to completely destroy, particularly a building or a town or some sort of settlement. The squatter camp was razed by bulldozers. It was demolished, it was pulled down, it was torn down. Okay, particularly razed to the ground, but you don't have to use the to the ground because it's already within the verb. So something that's razed is something that's been completely destroyed. Various villages were razed to the ground by fire. They were completely destroyed, and there was nothing left. Okay, so to raze, to destroy completely, to get rid of something. The town was razed to the ground after the revolution. To demolish. To raze an old building, to flatten. You can also use raze, meaning to scrape or to cut or to shave off, to skim or cut over a surface as if you were shaving it with a razor. But this is much more unusual. To scrape or shave off. I raised the hair off the skin of the pork before I cooked it. It's possible. But to raze to the ground, to destroy completely, to erase, to get rid of something. To obliterate, so that there is no evidence of its existence. Not a few walls left, absolutely nothing. Let's see. I guess you could use this metaphorically, but most usually we use this to talk about demolishing a building. We wish to raise the memory of this from our collective thought. I guess you could use it like that, to erase, to scrape it out so that there's no image of it left. But I think it's probably certainly less common. To raze, to bulldoze, to flatten with a bulldozer, to destroy, to knock down, to demolish completely, to pulverize, so there's absolutely nothing left. I'm thinking of another metaphorical one. His reputation was razed to the ground by the scandal. You could use it like this, meaning destroy completely. But I don't know, I'm thinking, for example, the city of Dresden was almost completely razed by Allied bombing during the Second World War. It's more to do with buildings and constructions, but well, if you're gentle with it, you can use it metaphorically. Let's see. To raise, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think maybe to level informally. Could you use it informally? Just about. Better semi-formal speaking, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. And then as to origin, there's a Middle English word, rasen, or raisin, to scrape or to shave, which comes from Anglo-Norman French idea, raser, Old French, to touch lightly, which comes from Latin rasus, meaning scraped or shaved, which actually comes from Proto-Indo-European red, meaning to scrape or to scratch. So it goes back quite a lot. So to raze to the ground, to demolish, to level to the ground, to strike out of existence, to obliterate, to destroy, or to scrape as if you're using a razor. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To raze to the ground.